Hey everybody, I hope you're having a fantastic day. I have a quick one for you here. This is a 2020 Volkswagen Key Fob, and it is about time for the batteries to be changed in these things. And it's a little mysterious, so I thought I would show you kind of a neat trick. If you take the little valet key and slide it out here, the goal is to get this back off without really prying on it. I don't want to take one of these tools and try to dig in here and mess up the edge and give this kind of a rough edge. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide the valet key in just a little bit. You can see we're going in below the VW symbol, and I'm going to tilt it just a little bit toward myself and let the valet key pop the back off, and then I can kind of gently wiggle that off. And now I'm going to take the stock Panasonic 2032 battery, and I'm going to pry it out with like a flathead screwdriver. It'll just gently just kind of pull it out and it'll pop. And then I bought these Amazon Basics batteries. I've got links in the description for those. They seem to be the best bang for the buck for this sort of operation. So we're going to put it in with the plus facing us, and I'm going to push the battery toward me and down. So I'm going to go toward me and down, and it'll snap right in. If you've got any junk on there, you can go ahead and clean the fob a little bit. And then you just want to reverse it and kind of hook the back on the side opposite of the VW logo and snap it over there, and then come back to the other side and snap it in there, and then put your valet key back, and you are good to go. So hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.